Alright, so I got supposed to have a joystick and a servo motor wired up to with the LED matrix, and it's supposed to, when I move the servo motor, when I move the joystick, it's supposed to turn the servo motor, and when I run my code, when it does that on the serial model, it's gonna show my initial, which is K. So my code, is verified, it does work. But the problem I'm having is my ESP doesn't stay on when I connect, so I cannot connect the device to run the code. So when I take out the port, put it back in, it turns on and turns off. But if I was to take, as soon as I disconnect the ESP, it's on, as you can see. So as I connect the ESP back to the breadboard, it shuts off. And when I try to take it out, put it back in, it turns off, it turns off. Turns on, it turns right back off. So I really cannot run the system I'm supposed to. And I had one line of the LED on, and when this started happening, the whole thing just shut off. So now my LED matrix not even lighting on.